Okay, so first thing we're going to do is create a camera, because I don't currently have one in the scene. And there's our camera. We can go into it, do all that. And while we have that in the scene, we are going to learn how to do or use the FPS mode. So what you're going to do is click Shift and the tilde under Escape at the same time, and that'll bring this crosshair up. And so to snap faces, and click space so that you're like on ground level, I guess, like eye level. Tab is going to activate gravity so you don't fall through the floor, otherwise you would like this. So this makes it feel like you're walking. Shift is going to make you kind of go faster. It'll feel like you're gliding around, but there isn't really much you can do about that with like stepping animation, I guess. V is to jump. Alt is to go even slower, which is kind of unnecessary for this scene at least. Yeah, so this is how you walk around in FPS mode. And now we're going to animate the camera with it. So we're going to left click to get out of this mode, because you can't do anything in it right now. So click, and then Control Alt 0 to lock the camera to your view, or bring it to your view. Click that, and I don't know if this is the best way, but I'm going to turn auto keyframing on. I have 1000 frames. It doesn't really matter what frames you have. And we're just going to click play and then go right into FPS mode and start walking around doing, if you have like a scene you need to walk through, you can use that. So we're going to do that. And now we can walk around. Yes, the reindeer are dancing. You can go inside rooms, which is pretty cool. Inside other objects, like I just billion that. Yeah, it kind of forces you up objects. It's kind of strange. That's, yeah. Yeah, this is kind of all there is to it. You can, once it's done animating, so we can just click that, stop it, and now if I go back to the first frame, our camera will move around like an FPS character. It's kind of choppy, but you can tweak the curves of the what are they called? Keyframes in the editor down here. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you.